This dance is called Keep the Dream Alive. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, rock the right to the side, recover your weight on the left. Into a cross shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing right over left, left to the side, cross right over left. Cross, side, cross, that's your cross shuffle. You're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So you're going to rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a cross shuffle, left foot crossing over the right, remember 1 and 2 count timing steps, cross, side, cross. That set of steps once more then, side rock, cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. Now we're going to shuffle forward on the right, but we're going to put a quarter turn on to start with. So this again, 1 and 2 count timing steps. So we make that quarter turn right, as we step that right forward, making sure we have turned our body and not twisted it. Left beside right, step the right forward. Turn and close step, as your turning shuffle. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, then shuffle forward on the left. 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the left forward, right beside left, step the left forward. Step, close, step, left shuffle. That set of steps once more then, side behind into that turning shuffle step. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Now you have in that set of steps got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn when you do that quarter turning shuffle and then you add on that step pivot half at the end. Now we always say where possible do try and put the turns in because the dances look so much better when they are in there. However, should you find that you're having trouble getting the turns in time to the music or it's making you feel a little bit dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So should you need to try and take out that 3/4 of a turn, step the right to the side, step the left behind the right, same as everybody else. Then you are going to shuffle, but you are going to shuffle backwards. So instead of turning right, you're going to turn a quarter left as you step back on the right, left beside right, step back on the right. So it's still a quarter turning shuffle step, but you're shuffling backwards instead of forwards. Then instead of doing that step pivot half, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, and then you can just add on the left shuffle with everyone else. So you're travelling in the same direction, taking the similar steps to everyone else, you're just taking out that 3/4 of a turn. So like I say, non-turning steps, do try and put the turns in to start with, but if you are struggling, there's some alternatives that you can do. So let's add that to the top. Side rock, cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Step the right to the side, hold. So when we hold, we're just pausing for 1 beat or count of music. And we're going to add on a little weave, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over the right. So a little weave. Step the right to the side again, and hold. So another pause for 1 beat or count of music. Then we're going to add on a coaster step. So again, it's 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left back, right beside left, step the left forward. So it's our left coaster step. That set of steps once more then. Side, hold, weave, side, hold, coaster step. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, hold, behind, side, cross, side, hold, coaster step. Back, close, step is our coaster step. Let's add that to the top. Side rock, cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8. Side, rock, cross shuffle, side, rock, cross shuffle, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side, hold, behind, side, cross, side, hold, coaster, step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. You're going to shuffle back on that right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right back, left beside right, stepping the right back. Back, close back, back shuffle. Step back on the left, step back on the right. Add on a coaster cross. So again, very similar to the coaster step, 1 and 2 count timing steps. Left coaster cross, you can step the left back, right beside the left, cross the left over the right. So instead of stepping forward, we're just crossing at the end. Coaster cross. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross. That is the end of the dance when we get to there, so let's put it all together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side hold, behind side cross, side hold, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross. So that is your dance. There it is, the 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side rock, cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side hold, behind side cross, side hold, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side hold, behind side cross, side hold, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side hold, behind side cross, side hold, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross. So that's your dance. And obviously when the music is on, I won't be chanting the word hold, I'll be giving myself a little pause for breath. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 8. You will actually be facing 12 o'clock when you come to do the tag. So you'll tag quite simply. You are repeating the first section of the dance and then adding a little bit on. So you're going to rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left into that cross shuffle, that 1 and 2 count timing steps, cross, side, cross. Then rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing again, cross, side, cross, crossing the left over the right. So that is the first section of the dance that you're going to repeat. Then you're going to add on another 4 steps. We are going to do a vine to the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. That is the end of the tag. You restart the dance then, side rock, cross shuffle. So let's just have a go at that tag once more. Side rock, cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side, behind, side, cross. So like I said, it comes at the end of wall 8. Wall 8 is actually going to be your 3 o'clock wall. So you'll go around all 4 walls. Then when you get back to 3 o'clock, your right hand wall, you know when you get to the end of that wall and you're next facing the front, so the 3rd time you get to the front wall, you have to do that tag before you start the dance again and continue for the remaining walls. So let's take you through wall 8, add on the tag, restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Side rock, cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side hold, behind side cross, side hold, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross, tag, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side cross, restart, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits into the dance. Don't worry, I'll shout it out when we get to it in the music. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle. Side behind, turn shuffle. Step, pivot, left shuffle. Side behind, side cross. Side, coaster step. Forward rock, back shuffle. Back, back, coaster cross. Side rock, cross shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle. Side behind, turn shuffle. Step, pivot, left shuffle. Side, behind side cross, side, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side, behind side cross, side, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster cross, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side, behind shuffle, side, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, back, back, coaster step, side rock, side behind, side hold, forward rock, side rock, side behind, side hold, forward rock, side rock, side behind, Pull it up. Side drop, cross shuffle, side drop, cross shuffle, side behind, cycles, restart, side drop, cross shuffle, side behind, side hold, pull up. Hope you managed that one.